I work for the municipality of Oslo in the Department of Finance, but I'm not working with finance, I'm working more with strategic planning for the city. It's a more complex way of seeing design because it's like the highest level where you have to take into consideration everything surrounding. We're looking at the school system and dropout level in Norway and Oslo. We have pretty high rates of dropouts, especially between boys, but the average is around 30%. And it has been stable for almost 20 years. If you only look at the student who drops out, you will miss a lot of the important elements. So you have to study it in the context, and you can see that it's not only the student, maybe with family background issues, it's also the school, but it's also the government, it's the law, how the school is run, it's the culture, media culture, it's your friends. So if you want to get the whole picture of what is happening, it's a big system and many systems inside the system. So in order to understand the behavior and the patterns, you have to look outside of only just like the one student who is dropping out. One of the goals of the course, I think, is to work with people from different backgrounds, different cultures, different age. We have students from China, we have students from Algeria, we have French students. And it's very interesting because we have a very different background, very different ways of thinking, understanding things, and also the age difference is interesting. I think we have such different ways of perceiving things, and also school system is probably very different in China than Norway. I think as a designer you have to bring in other disciplines as well, because to me the designer is more the facilitator who will help the stakeholders or the people to get their knowledge on the table, and you can sort it and take decisions based on that. But I think it's